Yes, this is Source Talk, Showtime Shot News Midi. Say I got the man himself, Mr. Sugar Hill. First off, champ, thank you for your time. This man needs a little introduction.
Sugar Hill on Sauce Talk.
That's right. That's right. Yes, Zaga, Yaga, you know the vibes. You rocking up with yours truly, Showtime Sizzle. I am the Source. This particular piece, body of work, isn't really boxing related. It's more so it has to deal with a like when I get a little bit of downtime. I love to read. I love to, I'm gonna put the link to the article from Yahoo Sports. But this particular piece is on a football player from Georgia who has to turn himself in for a fatal drag racing accident that took place. You can read the article for yourself, but I just want to take the time out just to reflect, like the whole situation from reading the article. To me, it's sad, man, because here you have a young man. If you follow college football, he was at the NFL Combine, I believe, today. The article states that he was scheduled to speak to reporters. This is the process of being drafted in the NFL. Now here he goes from possibly being the number one overall pick and arguably one of the most recognizable professional sports, the NFL, to now facing serious charges. And I just wanted to speak on that because you see how your situation, he's going from possibly being a multi-millionaire with a multi-million-dollar professional football contract to possibly facing jail time and losing all of that for allegedly drag racing with a teammate, classmate, fellow student who, I believe they said 2 people lost their lives in this drag racing incident. And I just wanted to come on and just speak on that because decisions that we make, choices that we make, could really impact your life drastically. I'm going to rewind this source back. A simple drag racing after leaving an after-hour spot has potentially took someone who was in position to, like I just said, become the number one overall pick in the NFL to now possibly go into jail, fighting for his freedom. I had to do this. Like, this isn't even my norm. I like to talk boxing and other things, but just reading that article right now, just reflecting on that, like, man, this kid was in position to possibly change his life, change others' lives around him, and now he's going to be fighting for his freedom, for his life. Not only that, you know how strict the NFL is, man. The NFL is one of the strictest leagues. What is this going to do for his draft status? Yes, like I said, the link to this article will be in the description box for those of y'all that like to read. Check it out, man, and feel free to give your thoughts, especially the ones that's going to tap into the article and read, man. What's your thoughts on the situation? That's all I got for you, man. This is the Source Experience. Feel free to like, share, subscribe. Zaga, Yaga. You know the vibes. Ahala. This is the Sauce Talk with Keyshawn Davis.
The Sauce Talk, okay.
First off,